Okay, hi queens. So welcome back to my channel. I'm just gonna be showing you guys today how I actually paint my press-on nails. So let's get straight into it. First, I try to select the right size that goes with my finger. This press-on nail that I am doing today is more of a trial and error. It's just a little design that I was trying to do. So I decided to, hey, let me just video a design that I'm trying to work out if I want it to be part of my collection or not. So yeah, right now, as you can see, I'm trying to get everything ready. I'm getting the little sticky tape things to put on the little nail stands, and I'm placing everything on, getting ready. So normally I don't really show too much of my first time designs. These are, every time I do a design, it's not necessarily something that I'm going to use. It's just an idea that I get in my head, and I'm just like, okay, boom, I wonder how this would look. I try my best not to look at other people's designs and what other people are doing with their press-on nails, just based on the fact that I don't want to kind of allow myself to get too intimidated, or I want to kind of stay in my lane. You know what I'm saying? You get what I'm trying to say? Listen, sometimes when I type in white nail, I'm seeing the first 100 pages is of the same exact design. And sometimes if you see that all the time, when it comes to your creativity, you're kind of unconsciously going towards that. And so when I do my designs, it's more just off my head. Let's see what I can create in the moment. So this is really all just in the moment. About to try a little something. So let's start. You know what I'm saying? So first of all, I always file off the nails first before I start anything. For me, it gives a clean and more like seamless coating of the nail. So I tend to just go through all of them lightly filing. Now you see, yeah, let me tell you something. Those little tab things, I don't know, sometimes I feel like, am I using it wrong? Because, or maybe I'm just going a bit too rough with the filing, because it's so irritating that sometimes I can't get the perfect thing file or how I want everything, because it keeps falling off. So I'm sure I'm not the only one that has to deal with that has this trouble, but it keeps falling off. So what I try to do now, or what I do sometimes now, especially when I'm doing customers' nails, is I use the double-sided tape instead. Because one, these little blue tabs, when I'm done and I'm ready to package my nails, sometimes the blue sticky chewing gum, whatever they are, sticky tab, there's still some residue of it on the back of the nail, and I don't like that. It doesn't give it a seamless, sorry for the noise outside, I live in the city so again, I apologize. I live in the city. Yeah. So where was I? Yeah. At the back of the nail, sometimes it leaves some residue at the back of the nail that I don't like, and it just looks messy to me. So when I'm doing my customers' nails, I use the double-sided tape, so it gives it more of a seamless kind of outcome. And then it's just messy. Like if some of the nail gel get onto it, on the sides, and the sticky thing is mixed with it, and then I put it underneath to dry. It's just a whole mess. Okay, I don't have time for that sometimes, and it's not always sturdy, and then so I only use the sticky tape, the blue sticky tape, when I'm working on nails that I'm trying out for my collection. Dang, here looks like I'm going hard on it. No wonder it doesn't stay, cause my hand is heavy. Okay, take your time, girl. Take your time. Dang, you wrestling with that. Take your time, honey. Okay. So yeah, guys, that's what I have to say about see, I'm pushing it down again. Look at that. Somebody come and look at this. Oh gosh. Imagine me filing you. Poor thing. Don't worry, guys. This is the whole process of reason why I'm showing you my process, because everything is really about growth and really about trying to be the best that you can be and do the best job that you can do. Because listen, nothing is perfect the first time. Okay, I've seen some creators out there, starting up their press-on nail business, and not all of them are perfect, but at the same time, props to everyone that's actually trying and actually taking the time to do it. So here you can see me just about to put on the base coat, and I take it all off because I can't be like applying it with everything on the stand. I have to do it individually, because again, the little blue tab things, they're not sturdy. So in order for me to do everything like right, I swear to God, I'm not doing it harsh. Oh, I'm so rough. It looks like I'm tapping it, but it's really like I'm really doing it soft, guys. I'm pretty sure it's the Caribbean in me. I've just got such a tough, heavy hand. Girl, take your time. Shoot. But yeah, I've tried my best to upload as much videos in my early days as possible. No, scrap that. I'm trying my best to upload as much videos of my early days as possible, so that you guys can see where I'm coming from and how much I've grown. So here I've started to apply my first coat. This nail is going to be, I think, the middle nail. I've made this the middle nail, and this is where I decided to try my design. I said, let me not just go crazy. Let me start with a little simple design where it's just 4 solid color nails, and then 1 nail is a design. So here I started to, I think at first I wanted to see what it would look like as a clear nail with different layers of brown, but then it didn't look right to me. So I said, let me try and start with a nude base color and then apply the 3 different brown on top. Girl, move your face. So I started, I didn't like that neither. I think what happened here was the fact that I saw some dust. Your nails should always be clean, because as you're coating, because of the gel nail polish, anything that goes near it can easily be attached. Okay, so with me, even just the smallest little dot of like fluff would irritate me. So that's why it's always important to clean your surroundings before as well, to make sure that your surroundings is clean, your workstation is clean, so that whenever you're starting to coat the nails, you don't have no problem. So the idea is to have a brown color for 4 of the nails, and one of the nails is nude, but the design is different browns on top of each other, placed in different places on the nail. So that's what you can see me doing. I was really trying to do something here, because I was like, you know what, brown don't go good with my skin with on my nails, but I want to see if I can find a design that works for my nail. So here I'm really just working on the main nail, the nail that I am going to be designing. So here I'm really taking small amount of nail gel polish and applying it in different sections of the nail. Not too much, because once you put it under that dryer, if you put too much nail gel polish on, it can wrinkle. You don't want it to wrinkle, you want everything to be smooth. So it's very important to put a very small amount, a thin layer, because if you thick that stuff up, it's not like regular nail polish. Regular nail polish, when you can coat it non-stop, and it just builds up because it's drying at the same time. The nail gel polish don't do that. You have to keep coating it, put it under that dryer, so you can have a seamless coat. So as you can see here, I'm really coating it with a thin layer with different browns. So all those browns that you can see there, that's what I'm using on that one nail. Putting little, as you can see, I'm doing strokes. I'm not doing like circles or, just lines. I'm doing random strokes, but making sure that it's not overcoated, and making sure that it's just, it's not getting messy. So I'm going to dry it. Once I put everything, I'm going to dry that. Okay, I'm getting it. And then now I'm just doing another coating, a final coating, but I'm speeding up the stuff for you guys, because we don't need to be here every day. All day. Whoa, what is going on with me today? So here, you see that mess? That is from all the mistakes that I made. So here you go, guys. A little something, show you how it looks once I'm done. It came out cute. I like the way how you can see different browns in different places. It came out cute for my first little try of my design. I think I'm gonna try it again.